Hello dear friends. So today I am back with the solution of exercise 2. So the question was, write a program that reads in a username and checks the entered password against a database that contain pairs of names and password. If name password pair is found in the database, the string access granted is printed. Otherwise, access denied is printed. So for this purpose we need to create a database that I already given you here, this one. So let's give it a store it in a variable. Okay, so I am writing here database is equal to, fine. Now what would be the next step? We need the username, okay, from the user. So I'll write here username, okay, is equal to input. We have to take the input from the user, so I am writing here username. Fine, I am simply writing here, just a minute. Username, okay, so I need the username. Okay, so I will take the input from the user. I hope this step is clear to you. After that, same way what I will do, I will ask for the password. I will ask for the password from the user. So again, input, fine, password, fine. So I am taking the input from the user here. So here what I will use the in keyword and the if statement. So let's see, if username password in database, okay, if username and password in database, then what it has to print access granted, access granted. Okay, otherwise, if suppose the password and username it not matching, okay, that you have entered, then what it will do? Else, okay, print access denied. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you, because we already learnt about in keyword in the previous videos, and also we know that how to use the if statement. Okay, so when we will run this program, so let's simply have the output. So it is asking for the username. Just suppose if I am writing username Ruchi, password I am giving here, fine. So what will happen? Access is denied. Okay, why? Because this username and password combination is not available in my database. Okay, if I will run this program again, and if I will write here def and the password if I am writing here, now it is saying access is granted. So this is how we can look for the username and password here with the help of list. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.